Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Priyanka studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Vidyanagar, first sem, section Chevrolet. Campus ID 24CS2844. Subject Principles of Programming in C. Subject code BPOPS102. Topic Iterative Statements. Moving on to the topic, first we will learn about the introduction of iterative statements. What are these iterative statements? These are used to repeat the execution of a list of statements depending on the value of integer expression. In C language, this supports three types of iterative statements. They are also known as looping statements. They are while loop, do while loop, and for loop. Now we will learn in detail about these loops. First is while loop. This while loop provides the mechanism to repeat one or more statements while a particular condition is true. In the while loop, the condition is tested before any of the statements in the statement block is executed. If the condition is true, only then the statements will be executed. Otherwise, if the condition is false, the control will jump to the statement while, which is the immediate statement outside the while loop block. Coming to this syntax, first we are going to initialize, next while condition, next increment, then we are going to print the statement. Flowchart for while loop. From this flowchart, it is clear that we need to constantly update the condition. This condition determines when the loop will end. The while loop will execute as long as the condition is true. If the condition is never updated and the condition never becomes false, then the computer will run into an infinite loop. Now we will see a sample program using while loop. For example, to print 10 numbers using a while loop, first header file, next is initializing the loop variable, int I is equals to 1, next is testing the condition while I less than or equal to 10, next we have to update the condition and then return 0. By this we will get the output from the numbers 1 to 10 because we have given the condition as I less than or equal to 10. This is all about the using of while loop. Next, we will learn about the do while loop. The do while loop is similar to while loop. The only difference is that in a do while loop, the test condition is evaluated at the end of the loop. Now that the test condition is evaluated at the end, this clearly means that the body of the loop gets executed at least one time, even if the condition is false. The condition is enclosed in parentheses and followed by semicolon. The statements in the statement block are enclosed within the curly braces. The curly brackets are often if there is only one statement in the body of do while loop. Syntax for this is first is initialization, next do, then we are going to print the statement, then while condition, then the statement. Now we will see the flowchart for do while loop. The do while loop execute the condition if it is true. There is only one choice whether to enter the loop or to cause the loop will be executed at least once irrespective of whether the condition is true or false. The entry in the loop is automatic. There is only one choice to continue or to exit. The loop will continue to execute while the condition is true, and when the condition becomes false, the control will jump into the following statement of the do while loop. Now we will see a sample program, how to write a program using do while. First header file, next initialization, that is int I is equals to 1, next is do, then printing the statement printf, then increment I is equals to I plus 1, next while condition. The condition is I less than or equal to 10. So we will be getting output printing from the numbers 1 to 10 because we have given the condition as I less than or equal to 10. This is all about the do while loop. Now we will be learning about for loop. The for loop provides a mechanism to repeat a task until a particular condition is true. For loop is usually known as determinate or definite loop because the programmer knows exactly how many times the loop will repeat. When a for loop is used, the loop variable is initialized only once. With every iteration of the loop, the value of the loop variable is updated and the condition is checked. If the condition is true, then the statement block of the loop is executed. Else, the statement compromising the statement block for the for loop are skipped and control jumps to the immediate statement following the for loop body. Syntax for this is for, we have to initialize, then the condition must be written, and also increment or decrement, then we are going to type the statement. Flowchart of for loop. In this for loop, initialization of the loop variable allows the programmer to give it a value. The condition specifies that while the conditional expression is true, the loop should continue to repeat itself. With every iteration, the condition when the loop variable must be updated. Updating the loop variable may include incrementing the loop variable, decrementing the loop variable, or setting it to some other value. Now we will see a sample program to write using for loop. First we are going to print the header files. Next we know in for loop first we have to initialize, then condition, then increment. Here it is I is equals to 1, that is initializing, then I less than 11, it is the condition, then I plus plus, that is increment. So we will get the output from the numbers 1 to 10 because the condition is I less than 11. This is all about the using of for loop. In this video, we have learned about three types of loops, that is while, do while and for loop with syntax and sample programs. I hope it finds you all useful. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.